Hello everybody, welcome back to EOP. In this video, I will show you how to convert EPUB to PDF. Let's have a look now. To convert EPUB to PDF files, open your web browser, search for EPUB to PDF. Click here. Once you are on the PDF to go website, click on Choose File. Select the EPUB and click on Open. Then click on Start button. It will start uploading and converting your file. Once it's converted, click on the download button. So there you go. Your EPUB file is now converted to PDF. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at EOP. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.